Let's face it, organizing your ideas and data can be more than a little daunting, especially when you need to show it to other people. We've all been there, spending hours trying to make sense of spreadsheets and drawing out diagrams. But now, there's an alternative. BigPicture is the diagramming and chart generation add-in tool for Microsoft Excel. It can help turn all that dense data into visual maps that tell you and your audience exactly what it is they need to know. So how can BigPicture make your data work for you rather than making you work for your data? I'll give you 3 key examples that will show you how this software can really make a difference in your business. BigPicture can turn your business ideas and questions into a map of your options. For example, say your company is considering an acquisition of a smaller company. How do you decide the best plan for this move? You need a strategic plan that's easy to create and easy to understand, but it can be hard to know where to start. There can be so many questions and ideas. How should the merger be structured? What will the customer impacts be? Will profitability be improved? BigPicture changes all that. Now you can lay out the full sequence of business decisions in a map that clearly shows your options and how one choice flows to the next. It gives you a strategic plan that's easy to create and easy to understand. Let's take a look. First, create a topic using Excel's native shape options. Add subtopics. BigPicture can automatically connect them to show how the options are related. You can label your topics to help organize the process. Here's an example of a fully developed strategic map. Don't want to consider a certain option? Click on the node to collapse it, so it's out of sight. Change your mind? Just click to expand that node once again. You can also customize your map using any of Excel's native shape and color options. Any style and format changes that you can make in Excel, you can make in BigPicture. BigPicture's data mapping comes in handy for a number of applications. Have you ever created an organizational chart for your business or company? Maybe you've worked with other programs to try to create something that communicates important info to one visual. If so, you know that creating these info-dense charts takes time, especially if you have to update them with new information. And trying to show or share these charts can be, well, a little daunting. But with BigPicture, making, showing, and sharing an org chart goes from painstaking to painless. BigPicture takes your human resources data, all those salaries, titles, and review notes, and automatically creates an org chart for you. Now you can see the information mapped out clearly. Who oversees who, how much salary they manage and make, and their HR scores. Information can be expanded and collapsed depending upon what facts you want to see. And best of all, when a piece of information changes, say Tammy here just got a promotion. All you have to do is make a simple change in the data sheet. And that change is quickly reflected in the updated BigPicture org chart. Also, BigPicture can help you analyze and visualize your data. You know those endless spreadsheets that hold huge amounts of important yet hard to read information? You know, the ones that you stare at for hours, trying to see what really matters? Let's say you want a better way to view a large amount of data on, say, power generation in the Midwest. Well, BigPicture takes the information from your spreadsheet and turns it into a dynamic map. All your information is there. Want to drill down to see the details? Click and view them. Here, you can see the capacity of each state, what type of power contributes to that capacity, which utility companies are producing that power. You can even link to outside sources of info from within the data map. Need a bird's eye view? Well, BigPicture lets you do that too. And if you want to change how you view the information, all it takes is a few clicks. Go from organizing your data by state to type of power source. BigPicture automatically makes these changes in how the data map is organized, giving you and your colleagues a new perspective when you need it. So whether you're a big company or a small one, looking to harness those out-of-control spreadsheets or take your brainstorming sessions to the next level, you owe it to yourself to look at the big picture.